Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I bet you didn't know that India is on track to become a developed country by 2047. These words, spoken by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, encapsulate a dream that has been a century in the making. 2047 will mark 100 years of independence for India, a nation forged from the fires of colonialism. This centennial anniversary isn't just a date on a calendar, it's a deadline. A milestone that carries the weight of a nation's aspirations. It's a promise whispered from generation to generation. The promise of a stronger, more prosperous India, where dreams are not limited by circumstances. For decades, India was seen as a land of contradictions. A rising economic power grappling with poverty, a democracy wrestling with inequality. But something has shifted. A new dawn is breaking. There's a new energy, a new ambition coursing through the veins of this nation. Young entrepreneurs are driving innovation, and the spirit of enterprise is alive and well. India is no longer content to be just another player on the world stage. It's ready to lead, to set new standards, and redefine global dynamics. The world has watched China's meteoric rise, and many are asking, can India do the same? Can it replicate or even surpass that success? The answer, increasingly, is a resounding yes. The optimism is palpable, and the momentum is building. India possesses all the ingredients necessary to become a global superpower. A young and vibrant population, a rapidly growing economy, and a thirst for knowledge and progress. And a strategic location at the heart of Asia, making it a pivotal player in regional and global affairs. But the path to superpower status is rarely smooth. The journey is fraught with obstacles and challenges. India faces significant challenges, from infrastructure bottlenecks to social inequality, from rural underdevelopment to urban congestion. Overcoming these hurdles will require bold leadership, smart policies, and the unwavering spirit of the Indian people. It will demand resilience, innovation, and a collective will to succeed. The journey won't be easy, but the destination is worth fighting for. Together, as one nation, India can and will achieve its dreams. Forget the tired narrative of India as a land of call centers and outsourcing. That image is rapidly becoming outdated. India's economic engine is revving up, fueled by innovation, technology, and a burgeoning middle class. The landscape is changing, and the world is taking notice. Look at the numbers. India is now the world's fifth largest economy, and it's projected to become the third largest by 2030. This is not just a prediction, it's a trajectory backed by solid growth metrics. This growth isn't happening in a vacuum. It's the result of strategic planning, policy reforms, and a relentless drive towards modernization. India is rapidly becoming a global hub for technology and innovation, with Bengaluru, formerly Bangalore, emerging as a rival to Silicon Valley. The city is now home to numerous tech giants and startups alike. From artificial intelligence to biotechnology, Indian entrepreneurs and engineers are making their mark on the world. Their innovations are not just local, but have global implications. This economic dynamism is lifting millions out of poverty and creating a new generation of consumers hungry for goods and services. The transformation is visible in every corner of the country. This growing middle class is the engine that will drive India's future growth, fueling demand for everything from cars and smartphones to education and healthcare. Their aspirations are reshaping the market. But India's economic miracle isn't just about numbers. It's about people. It's about the collective effort of a nation striving for a better tomorrow. It's about the millions of young Indians who are daring to dream big and are working tirelessly to build a better future for themselves and their country. Their energy and ambition are palpable. This entrepreneurial spirit, combined with India's vast human capital, is what sets it apart and fuels its economic rise. The future is bright, and the possibilities are endless. By 2027, India is projected to overtake China as the world's most populous nation. This demographic dividend, a young and growing workforce, is both a blessing and a challenge. A billion minds, a billion pairs of hands represent an unparalleled source of energy and creativity. Harnessing this youthful energy will be key to India's success. It requires investing in education and skills development, creating opportunities for entrepreneurship, and ensuring that the benefits of economic growth reach all segments of society. Imagine 1 billion people connected by technology, empowered by education, and driven by a shared ambition to make India a global leader. This is the potential that India holds, and it's a potential that the world cannot ignore. However, a large population also brings challenges. India needs to create millions of jobs each year just to keep pace with its growing workforce. This will require sustained economic growth, investments in infrastructure, and a focus on sectors with high job creation potential, such as manufacturing and renewable energy. Section 4. Infrastructure and education. Building the future, brick by brick. India's journey to superpower status won't be paved with good intentions alone. It will be a long and challenging road that requires dedication and strategic planning. It will require a massive investment in infrastructure, roads, railways, airports, and digital connectivity to support its growing economy and connect its vast population. These developments are crucial for facilitating trade, improving transportation, and ensuring seamless communication across the country. The government has recognized this need and has launched ambitious infrastructure development programs. These initiatives aim to modernize the nation's framework and lay the foundation for future growth. Equally important is investing in education. Education is the cornerstone of any thriving society and a key driver of economic progress. India needs a skilled workforce that can compete in the global economy. This workforce must be equipped with the knowledge and skills necessary to innovate and excel in various fields. This means not just expanding access to education, but also improving its quality, particularly in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, or STEM fields. These areas are critical for fostering innovation and driving technological advancements. India has made significant progress in expanding access to education, but challenges remain in terms of quality and affordability. Many students still face barriers that prevent them from receiving a high-quality education. The government is implementing reforms to improve the education system, but more needs to be done to ensure that all Indians have access to quality education. This includes investing in teacher training, modernizing curricula, and building new educational facilities. Building a superpower requires more than just physical infrastructure. It requires building human capital. The development of human resources is essential for sustainable growth and prosperity. It requires nurturing a culture of innovation, creativity, and critical thinking. Encouraging these qualities will help India stay competitive on the global stage. India has always been a land of learning and scholarship, and it needs to reclaim that mantle to fulfill its potential. By investing in both infrastructure and education, India can build a brighter future for its citizens and achieve its aspirations of becoming a global superpower. Section 5. Political stability. Navigating the ship of state. India's democratic foundations are strong. Despite its size and diversity, India has held together as a democracy for over 7 decades, a remarkable feat in itself. This democratic tradition is one of India's greatest strengths, allowing for peaceful transitions of power and a vibrant civil society. However, political stability and good governance are essential for India to achieve its full potential. Corruption, bureaucratic inefficiency, and social divisions remain challenges that need to be addressed. India's federal structure, while ensuring representation for diverse groups, can sometimes lead to policy paralysis and delays in implementation. Streamlining governance, promoting transparency, and fostering a spirit of cooperation between the center and states will be crucial for effective governance. Despite these challenges, India's democratic system provides a safety valve for dissent and allows for course correction. The active participation of its citizens in the democratic process gives hope that India can overcome its internal challenges and emerge as a stronger nation. Section 6. Global trade. From elephant to tiger, on the world stage. India is strategically located at the crossroads of global trade routes. It has the potential to become a major trading power, leveraging its large and growing domestic market and its competitive manufacturing sector. To achieve this, India needs to reduce trade barriers, improve its infrastructure, and create a more business-friendly environment. The government has taken steps in this direction, but more needs to be done to attract foreign investment and promote exports. India is also actively forging strategic partnerships with other countries, seeking to diversify its trade relationships and secure access to new markets. Its Look East policy, for example, aims to strengthen ties with Southeast Asian nations. India's rise as a global trading power will not only benefit its own economy, but will also have a ripple effect on the global economy, creating new opportunities for growth and prosperity. If you find this video informative, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.